Well, so go as for us 8th mathematics exercise 12.1 question number 2 first part 8 raised power minus 1 into 5 raised power 3 divided by 2 raised power minus 4 8 raised power minus 1 into 5 का क्यूब डिवाइड बाई 2 का होल raised power minus 4 5 का क्यूब था इथा कन इंटू 2 खालोन हेर 2 खालोन हेर तथ बन हेर कन प्लस पावर 4 8 वालोन बोन तथ गो प्लस पावर बोन कन 1 5 into 5 into 5 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 8 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 go 3 गए cancel 8 से अद बचाओ 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 5 5 go 25 5 2 go 10 25 and 10 get 250 go za तो 5 go answer ऐसा can go second part solution 5 raised power minus 1 into 2 raised power minus 1 into 6 raised power minus 1 so go is got even karo sari ulta divide by 1 divide by 1 divide by 1 yours 5 raised power minus 1 ulta karit go 1 by 5 raised power 1 into 2 raised power minus 1 go 1 by 2 raised power 1 6 raised power minus 1 go 1 by 6 raised power 1 which is equal to 1 1 जागो 1 5 2 जागो 10 into go आख बटा 6 1 1 जागो 1 डिवाइड बाय 10 6 जागो 60 go 1 by 60 go आंसर एथा कैन गो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 अच्छ एमुक वैल्यू काढून 5 raised power m divided by 5 raised power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised power 5 solutions में लिखो इस 5 raised power m divided by 5 raised power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised power 5 or when bases are same powers are subtracted in case of division ये divide चासा in power गसा subtract यानी 5 पेट m सु गो m minus यम 5 power go minus 3 is equal to 5 raised power 5 so go 5 raised power m plus 3 5 raised power m plus 5 raised power minus must go plus m plus 3 is equal to 5 raised power 5 or ऐसे को हमने कंपेयर करें पावर सो गो m plus 3 is equal to 5 or m is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 go m is the value 2 it again go question number 6th first part solution 1 by 3 whole raised power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 whole raised power minus 1 whole power goes minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 करोन उल्ट so go 3 raised power minus 1 divided by 4 raised power it करोन उल्ट 1 by 4 को 4 raised power 1 whole raised power goes minus 1 so go 3 into divide go change multiples months your 4 even आख बटा 4 whole raised power go minus 1 so go 3 by 4 whole raised power minus 1 so go 4 by 3 ये उल्ट करो पावर बन पॉजिटिव 1 पावर छनस कुने लेखा अगर इसके लेखो 1 पावर सो गया यह 4 by 3 go 4 by 3 go आंसर ऐसा can go second part solution 5 by 8 whole raised power minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole raised power 4 which is equal to 5 by 8 इकरण उल्टो सो गो 8 by 5 whole raised power go 7 into इस 8 by 3 8 by 5 इस करण ये 5 by 8 whole raised power go 4 so go is got 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 आक 2 3 तो 4 5 6 तो 7 divide by 5 तो 7 लट आक 2 3 4 5 6 तो 7 इंट गोस 5 गोस 4 लट आक 2 3 तो 4 डिवाइड बाय 8 गोस 4 लट आक 2 3 तो 4 आक 2 3 तो 4 आक 2 3 तो 4 गए कैंसल आक 2 3 तो 4 आक 2 3 तो 4 अद बजे 3 लट 8 तो 3 लट 5 गो 8 into 8 into 8 डिवाइड बाई 5 into 5 into 5 इज इक्वल 8 का क्यूब 8 का क्यूब गो 5 7 12 डिवाइड बाई 5 का क्यूब गो 125 ये गो यार आंसर।